We're Nick and Jenna, and in the last vlog you would have seen us hike up Mount Batur, which is the second tallest active volcano in Bali, Indonesia. We woke up at 2 AM and hiked to the top for some incredible sunrise views. So if you haven't seen that vlog, definitely click the link below, it's one very close to our hearts. We then got to the bottom by around 9 AM and we went to a coffee plantation where we learnt about poop coffee and we got to try a bunch of different flavoured coffees as well as chocolates. They were all pretty delicious. However, we can't speak for the poop coffee because we personally didn't try that one. And now
we're going whitewater rafting.
Alright, so we're going with the GoPro from now because obviously we can't bring the vlog camera, which means we're going to have to speak loud and you might not hear everything we say, but we'll try our best to make sure you hear it all. On our way! Alright, just a quick walk through the rice fields to get to the starting point. Jenna, how are we feeling?
Good, ready to go. A little bit tired from no sleep last night.
Water will wake you up.
Yeah.
I thought I was done with walking for today.
The guy on Instagram, Cam, what's his name? A New Zealand trick. Oh yeah. Hikes like every day. 50 Ks and like just backs it up. You should look him up, follow him on Instagram. It's very interesting.
How are you feeling about your hiking?
Oh look, I think we've done enough walking for today, don't you? And I'm sure there'll be more stairs at the other end, but they'll be up, so that's great. But I'm looking forward to the rafting and I'm hot now, so I'm ready to get in that water.
We see the water! Jump in. Alright, we're in. Jenna.
We're in.
We're doing it.
Yeah, here we go.
Good.
That was refreshing, yeah, that was good.
Ready to go in the waterfall?
Yeah.
Jenna?
Yeah!
Alright, Jenna, what do we think so far?
We're halfway and lots of fun.
Well done. Boom, boom. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. You okay? Sorry. No problem. Come back position. Come back position.
How incredible was that? Now we have to walk up all these stairs.
All the way back to the top.